Good morning. Welcome to online classes, Padmavati Junior College. My name is E.M. Naidu. Maths 2B, exercise 6A, integration. Find the following integrals. First one, integral 2x root x dx. Solution. Integral 2x root x dx. That equal to 2 is constant integration ముందుకు వస్తుంది x power 1 x power 1 by 2 dx. So x power 1 plus 1 by 2 dx, x power 3 by 2 dx. We know that integral x power n dx formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That is the formula x power n dx. That equal to x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 d plus c. That equal to x power 3 by 2 plus 1. So 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Fraction తిరగబడుతుంది. So that equal to 4 by 5 x power 5 by 2 plus c. So that is the first problem. Now second problem. Second one, integral. Find the value of integral 1 minus root x by x dx. Okay. Solution. Integral 1 minus root x by x dx. That is equal 1 by x minus root x by x dx, term by term. So that is equal integral 1 by x dx minus integral root x by x dx. That is equal integral 1 by x dx minus, so integral x power 1 by 2 minus 1 dx. That equal integral 1 by x dx minus integral x power minus 1 by 2 dx. That equal దీనికి log mod x formula minus x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Because of the formula integral x power n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That equal to log mod x minus x power 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 2 plus c. So that equal to log mod x minus 2 root x plus c. Since x power 1 by 2 is equal to root x. Okay. Now third problem. Integral x plus 4 by 1 plus x square dx. Now this term integration, integral x dx plus 4 is constant, integration ముందుకు వస్తుంది 1 by 1 plus x square dx. We know that x of integration, again the formula x power n dx, that is x power n plus 1 apply n plus 1 plus c. We know that integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x. Okay, that is the formula. So that equal x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 4 into tan inverse x plus c. That equal to x square by 2 plus 4 tan inverse x plus c. That is the third problem. Next fourth one, e power x, integration of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 by square root of x square plus 1 dx. So solution. Okay, in each term integrate e power x dx minus integral 1 by x dx. 2 is constant ముందుకు వస్తుంది, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ముందుకి 1 by root 2 x square plus 1 dx. Okay. Now again the integration of e power x form, integral of e power x dx equal to e power x. Integral of 1 by x dx, this is also formula log mod x. Integral of 1 by root x square plus 1 dx equal to sin h inverse x. So these three formulas, we apply the formulas. So now that equal e power x integration e power x 1 by x integration log mod x plus 2 sin h inverse x plus c. That is the fourth one. Now fifth one, find the integration of 1 by 1 minus x squared plus 1 by 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, solution. So each one integration, that is 1 by 1 minus x squared dx plus integral 1 by 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, this is the formula tan h inverse x, formula tan inverse x plus c. So okay, since the formula integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx tan h inverse x integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x. Okay, that is the formula of these two. Now this problem, find the integral of 1 by root 2 1 minus x squared plus 1 by root 2 1 plus x square dx. So these two also again using the formulas. So each one integration integral 1 by root 1 minus x square dx plus integral 1 by root 1 plus x square dx. Okay, so that is the, what is the formula of 1 by root 2 integral 1 by root 1 minus x square sin inverse x. So what is the formula of 1 by root 2 1 plus x square sin h inverse x, sin h inverse x plus c. Now second problem, find the integration of e power log secant square x dx. Okay, we know that the formula e power log x to the base e is equal to x. These two cancel అవుతాయి, x అనమాట formula. So that equal to, this can be converted by these two cancel, secant square x dx. E power log secant square x. Now these two cancel, that equal to secant square x. Okay, using the formula e power log of x to the base e unnattu, that equal to x, that is secant square x. What is the integration of secant square x? Tan x plus c. That is the Roman number 1. Now Roman number 2, section 2. Find the, evaluate the following integrals. Evaluate the following integrals. First one is integral secant x tan x plus 3 by x minus 4 dx. Okay, solution. So each term integrate, so that equal to integral secant x tan x dx plus 3 is constant integration ముందుకు వస్తుంది 1 by x dx minus integral 4 dx. Okay, so again using the formulas, integral 1 dx equal to x, integral 2 dx equal to 2x, integral 4 dx equal to 4x. Okay, that is the formula of integration. Constant ఉండేటప్పుడు x వస్తుంది, 2 ఉంటే 2x వస్తుంది, 4 ఉంటే 4x వస్తుంది, అలా అన్నమాట. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ secant x tan x ఫార్ములా secant x 3 integral of 1 by x dx, integral of secant x tan x dx, the formula that equal to secant x plus 3 integration of 1 by x dx, we know that log mod x. So integration of 4x, integration of 4 dx, that equal to minus 4x plus c. That is the formula. Now second problem, find the integration of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x b power x dx. Okay, solution. So we know that a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, so that is equal a power x whole square b power x whole square minus 2 a power x b power x by a power x b power x dx. Okay, so we know that each term integrate term by term, that equal to a power x whole square by a power x b power x whole square by a power x b power x minus 2 a power x b power x by a power x b power x of dx. Okay, you know that square a power x is cancelled, square and b power x is cancelled, a power x b power x, a power x b power x is cancelled, that equal to a by b whole power x. Okay, a power x by b power x, a by b whole power x. So ఇక్కడ b by a whole power x minus 2 of integral dx. Now each term integration, integral of a by b whole power x dx plus integral of b by a whole power x dx minus integral 2 dx. We know that the integral 2 dx is 2x. So using the formula a power x dx log a power x by log a. Okay, that is the formula of a power x dx. Okay, we apply the a by b whole power x dx integration is a by b whole power x by log of a by b. Okay, plus b by a whole power x by log of b by a minus 2x plus c. Okay, log a by b equal to log a by b, that is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, so that equal a by b whole power x by log a minus log b minus b by a whole power x by log b minus log a plus, okay, minus 2x plus c. Okay, we know that ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీసుకుంటే ఇది log a minus log b అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు a by b whole power x by log a minus log b minus b by a whole power x by log a minus log b minus 2x plus c. So this can be written log a by b. So that is equal 1 by log a by b కామన్ తీసుకుంటే a by b whole power x minus b by a whole power x, okay, minus 2x plus c. That is the required answer. We know that log a by b equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b కామన్ తీస్తుంది these two terms లో. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది. సో log a minus log b అవుతుంది. సో these two terms, the common term is 1 by log a by b. So 1 by log a by b whole power x minus b by a whole power x minus 2x plus c. That is the integration of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x b power x dx. Now third problem. Find the integration of 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay, we know that formula 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. అలాగే 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Okay, these two formulas very important in trigonometric ratios. So this can be written as 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x formula 2 sin square x, 2 sin square x of dx. Now 1 by 2 is constant, so 1 by 2 integration ముందుకు వస్తుంది. Now 1 plus cos square x by sin square x, again using the term by term, and 1 by 2 integral 1 by sin square x cos square x by sin square x of dx. 1 by sin cosecant, that equal to 1 by 2 integral cosecant square x cos by sin cot square x of dx. We know that cot square x equal to cosecant square x minus 1. Okay, so ఇక్కడ cot square x ప్లేస్లో మనం ఎలా ఇచ్చంటే cosecant square x, దీని ప్లేస్లో మళ్ళీ అగైన్ cosecant square x minus 1 అని రాయొచ్చు ఆఫ్ dx. cosecant square ఎంత అవుతుంది? The value of 1 by 2 integral 2 cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Okay, so now each term integration 1 by 2 integral 2 cosecant square x dx minus 1 dx. Okay, now that equal 1 by 2 cosecant square x integration minus cot x, so minus 2 cot x, a 1 యొక్క integration minus x plus c. సో 1 by 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మైనస్ cot x minus 1 by 2 minus cot x minus 1 by 2 x plus c. That is the required answer. Okay, the integration of 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x. Now fourth one. You find the integration of root 1 minus cos 2x. So very simple, using the formula 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. Okay, using the formula. Now the solution integration, this can be written as square root of 2 sin square x dx. So root 2 integral root 2 sin square x, square ki dani cancel అవుతుంది sin x dx. root 2 is constant, root 2 బయటకు వస్తుంది integration. sin x యొక్క integration, what is the sin x యొక్క integration? That equal to minus cos x. Okay, minus root 2 cos x plus c. Since the integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x, okay, plus c. Now the next problem, fifth problem. Integral 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, solution. So integral 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, we are applying, we multiply 1 minus cos x in the numerator and denominator, that equal integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into multiplied 1 minus cos x. Okay, by using multiply the 1 minus cos x numerator denominator, integral 1 minus cos x by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square prakaram 1 square minus cos square x. Okay, the 1 square value 1 dx. So 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x. Okay, that equal integral 1 minus cos x by sin square x dx. So now term by term, so integral of 1 by sin square x minus cos x by sin square x ante of dx. Okay, so that equal integral of 1 by ante 1 by sin cosecant square x dx. Now integral of cos by sin ante cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x dx. Okay, so that equal to integral of cosecant square x dx minus integral cos by sin cot x 1 by sin cosecant x dx. We know that integration of cosecant square x, integration of cosecant square x equal to minus cot x. Integral of cosecant cot x, cosecant x cot x equal to minus cosecant x. Okay, these two formulas we are applying the problem, this problem. So that equal to minus cot x. Okay, minus of the integration of cot x cosecant is equal to minus cosecant x plus c, that equal to minus cot x plus cosecant x plus c. Okay, okay, next class lo continue.